Health Zone presents how to use the 7-day cucumber diet to reduce weight fast. Cucumbers are considered as a perfect diet food. This is because they have virtually no calories, but are loaded with important nutrients, vitamins, minerals, such as iron, calcium, magnesium, vitamin C and B. Also, cucumbers are rich in fibers, therefore, are excellent for intestinal cleansing and body detox. Cucumbers also gets rid of excess water in your body and boost your metabolic functions. In this article, we are going to talk about the 7-day cucumber diet. This easy-to-follow diet plan is perfect for weight loss and is incredibly nutritious. Also, it will help you drop weight quickly. Let's begin with the diet plan. Meal plan. Follow this plan if you want this diet to work and help you. Breakfast: 1 full plate of cucumber salad, 2 hard-boiled eggs. Snack: 5 plums, 1 apple or peach. Lunch: 1 slice of wheat bread toast, 1 plate cucumber salad. Dinner: 300 gram of fruit, any fruit you like. Cucumber salad recipe: 400 grams cucumbers, 200 milliliters sour milk or yogurt, 1 onion, pinch of salt. Directions: 1. Peel the cucumbers, then cut them into small pieces. 2. Add a pinch of salt and mix. 3. Add the sour milk or yogurt. 4. Add the chopped onion. 5. Enjoy the refreshing salad. In between, because this is a weight loss diet, it cannot be complete without taking care of all the cravings and small meals in between. You can treat yourself to small servings of fruits during this time. There is also a recipe for cucumber shake that you can take in between meals. The recipe for the cucumber shake are as follows. Cucumber shake recipe. If you feel hungry in between meals, you can prepare the following cucumber shake. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 apple, piece of ginger, handful of spinach. Directions: 1. Put all the ingredients in the food processor. 2. Pulse until smooth. 3. Pour in a glass and drink up. Exercise. The diet that was mentioned above is good and will certainly see you reduce those excess pounds. But it is also important to exercise enough as well. Make sure that you get some form of weight training and aerobic exercise for 30 to 40 minutes, at least 5 days a week. In addition to following this diet, the dieting and exercising should be consistent and should be in conjunction with each other for best results. Follow this diet plan for 7 days, and you will see a marked difference in the way things have shaped up. If you are satisfied with the results, you can continue with the diet for as long as you would like. This healthy cucumber diet will continue to provide positive results as long as you carry on with it. But it is recommended that you consult your doctor before you take up this diet, if you have any health issues for precautionary measure. If the video was helpful, press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the red box below. Thank you for watching. Smile.